Right, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to break down this trade that I took yesterday. This is on oil. So yeah, I'm going to jump into it. I'm going to use TradingView, but you can see here the executions for this trade. So on the daily, we look at the weekly profile. We can see we opened high. We opened high into a key level. We opened into the previous week high. And we put in an SMT with the previous week high. Just 1 second. You can see right here, we trade into the high. And then on this asset, we don't trade into the high. So we have an SMT and then we start to reverse and trade lower, right? So we have this midweek reversal profile where Wednesday creates the high of the week. Thursday trades lower and closes bearish. And then Friday, I'm looking for a continuation. We can target this daily gap, but for me on this trade, I was just targeting the previous day low because it's just, it's an easy target. If you look at the 6 hour, you can see the 6 hour gap. This is a 6 hour and 4 hour gap. So this is, a great sequence. When you want to see a bearish daily candle, you want it to open high into a key level, right? So what do we do? Open high into this key level. Same on the 4 hour as well. We put in an SMT as we trade into this gap. And then this 10 p.m. 4 hour candle closes with this C2. So the trade that I'm looking to take is this 2 a.m. continuation into the previous day low, which you can see right here. So we had a 2-stage SMT. So we, put in this SMT and then second stage SMT with this 4 hour high. And yeah, so looking to get on side with this 2 a.m. continuation then. On the 1 hour, we had this gap. Now this 1 hour candle is the candle that I'm trading lower. So we actually opened high first into the gap, and then we traded into the low, and then we reversed, all within the same hourly candle. But you can see on the 15 minute, you can see that here. So we have 4 a.m. This is the 1 hour candle that I'm trading, right? Trades higher into that gap. And then we put in this 2-stage SMT. So what happens here is we close bearish on this 15-minute candle, but we took out this high. Now on the other assets, we didn't take out this high. Then we closed bullish here. So we had a strength switch PSP. And then we also had a 2-stage because here we closed bearish and we don't take out the 15-minute high. But if you go and have a look, just bear with me. Right here, we closed bullish on this asset. We didn't take out this high. But then we take out the 15-minute candle high. And we can anticipate this because this is a bullish close, right? It's going to reverse off of the previous candle's high, which is what it does here. With this asset closing bearish, we don't want to see it come all the way back up to this high. We just want to see it continue. We see that strength switch, okay? Because the asset that was stronger here becomes weaker. As soon as we get this close on the 15-minute, I can look to get on side with this trade, which is what we do on the 1 minute. Now, we did get this displacement to the upside here, so I was a little bit cautious here, but then it just, it didn't lead anywhere. And we start displacing lower here. We have this first, we have this CSD here, but it, it gets disrespected. And then we come back down, put in this bullish candle, and we trade lower. And then I got in somewhere within this candle, stop loss on the high, and then took it, like I said, to the previous day low. But you can see here on the 4 hour, at 2 a.m. candle, the trade in the continuation right into the previous day low. 15-minute, I didn't mark out the second stage here, but we do have the 2-stage SMT. And then on the 1 minute, we got in around here. Okay. So hopefully that explains this trade for you, and I'll catch you in the next one.